Hi everyone, I am Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, we will be dealing with the applications of this lesson, special products, and this is more on computation. Okay, let's start with computing squares. When we are computing squares, we will use square of binomials. These are a plus b raised to the power of 2, which is equal to a squared, plus 2ab plus b squared. And a minus b raised to the power of 2, so that's equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. We already studied this lesson in our past episode. Okay, now, let's compute for 103 raised to the power of 2 using square of binomials. 103 can be written as 100 plus 3, and this is squared. Why did we use 100? We use 100 so we can compute easier and faster. So using square of binomials, a squared, so 100 squared plus the product of 2ab, which is times 100 times 3. And this is a plus b squared, which is 3 squared. So this is then 10,000 plus 2 times 100 times 3 is 600. Plus 9, then we now have here 10,609. Okay, instead of multiplying the usual way, which is 103 times 103, this is more complicated and long process. So we made use of square of binomials and we got the answer immediately. Okay, what about for 97 squared? So this is another example. Using square of binomials, 97 can be written as 100 minus 3. And this is squared. Okay, now, 100 squared is 10,000. Minus the product of 2 times 100 times 3 plus 3 squared. So that's a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, let's simplify. So this is then 10,000 minus 600 plus 9. So 1,000 minus 600, that would be 9,400 plus 9. So this is 9,409. Okay, this time let's move on to computing products. In computing products, or when we are computing products, we will use difference of squares. Difference of squares has its basic form a plus b times a minus b, which is equal to a squared minus b squared. Okay, let's give an example for you to understand this concept. Let's multiply 101 times 99 using the difference of squares. Okay, 101 can be written as 100 plus 1. 99 is 100 minus 1. So 100 plus 1 times 100 minus 1. This is difference of squares. So this is then equal to a squared. So we have 100 squared minus b squared, which is 1. So 1 squared. So 10,000 minus 1, then this is equal to 9,999. Okay, this time, let's answer this concept check question. The following shows process of computing a value using special products. Let's fill in the boxes with the correct numbers. Okay, let's take a look at this first given. 99 squared. This is equal to 100 minus blank raised to the power of 2. So in here, we will be using square of binomials. So 99 can be written as 100 minus 1, and it's raised to the power of 2. Okay, so in here, using square of binomials, so this is 100 squared minus the product of 2 times 100 times 1 plus 1 squared. And if we will simplify, 100 squared is 10,000 minus 2 times 100 times 1, so that's 200. 1 squared is 1, so plus 1. 10,000 minus 200, then that's going to be 9,800 plus 1, so we have 9,801. Okay, what about for this second number? 102 times 98. So 100 plus 2 times 100 minus 2. So instead of multiplying the usual way, in here, we will make use of difference of squares. So 100 plus 2 times 100 minus 2. So 100 squared minus 2 squared. So 100 squared is 10,000 minus 4. Then this is equal to 9,996. Okay, now let's answer these questions or problems. We will use special products to compute 101 squared minus 98 times 102. Okay, for 101 squared, we will make use of square of binomials. So this can be written as 100 plus 1 raised to the power of 2 minus 98 can be written as 100 minus 2 times 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. Take note of the operations. We have here subtraction and this is multiplication. So it means we need to multiply first. 100 minus 2 times 100 plus 2. This is difference of squares. So it means 100 squared minus 2 squared. So we have here 10,000 minus 4. Then this is 9,996. Okay, so we now have answer to these numbers, 9,996. What about for 100 plus 1 raised to the power of 2? So square of binomials. So it means 100 squared plus the product of 2 times 100 times 1 plus 1 squared. So if we will simplify, then this is 10,000 plus 2 times 100 is 200 times 1, so 200 plus 1 squared. So 200 plus 1 squared is 1. So we have here 10,201. Okay, now the operation is subtraction. So we will subtract 9,996 from 10,201. And we will get here 205. Okay, how about these another problem? We will use also special products to compute for 78 times 82 minus 79 squared. Okay, in here, for 78, you can write this one as 80 minus 2. 82 can be written as 80 plus 2. 79 squared, this can be written as 80 minus 1, and this is squared. Operation here is multiplication. Here is subtraction. Okay, we will represent 80 as x. So x is 80 or 80 is x. So if 80 is x or x is 80, then we can write x minus 2 times x plus 2 minus x minus 1 squared. Okay, let's compute for x minus 1 squared first. This is square of binomials. So this is then equal to x squared minus 2x, so 2 times x times 1, so that can be 2x. and this is plus 1. Okay, now, how about here? X minus 2 times x plus 2. So this is square of binomials. This is difference, sorry. This is difference of squares. So if this is difference of squares, then this is then equal to x squared minus 2 squared or minus 4. Take note the operation is subtraction. So we will subtract x squared minus 2x plus 1 from x squared minus 4. So this is now minus x squared plus 2x minus 1. So x squared minus 4 minus x squared plus 2x minus 1. X squared and minus x squared will be cancelled. So we have here 2x, negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. So 2x minus 5. X is 80. So it means 2 times 80 minus 5. So 160 minus 5. Then this is equal to 155.